Hello everyone, I'm Typhoon. I hope I'm this one for you. Before we dive into today's product, let me quickly introduce who we are. XIV has been specializing in the LED display market overseas sales for over a decade. We truly understand the unique needs for our international clients. We even have an instruction and after-sales team in Japan. So we are equipped to offer on-the-ground support and service. It's second to none. This experience made us exceptionally knowledgeable and reliable partners for our global customers. Welcome to the introduction of the LED display. This LED display is folding and leveling LED display all in one. And the size is 135 inches. The panel size is 600 and 335.5 millimeters. You can use the COB module or LED module in it. And the pitch is from 0.9 to 1.8. This innovative display is perfect for advertising, meetings, and exhibitions, offering excellent performance and ease of use. So if you are interested, you can subscribe to our channel for more updates. Goodbye.